We are now to the northwest of Willow, just off of the highway, stopped. We have a huge rotating wall cloud in front of us, and it looks like it may be putting down any moment.
Oh wow. Is that lightning or power flashes? Sorry. Here.
You're fine. You're fine. I see no pronounced funnel at this time. However, it's still a big rotating rain-free base.
Right here.
Yep. There's your wall cloud right there.
Yep. I see it.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch.
Oh, I can't make this up. I can't make this up. Off at this point.
What?
Where's that
My
at?
camera.
Up to you. It's up to
Where's
you.
that game? Where's the
Yeah.
World Cup game being held
I
to
got
right now?
footage. I got a lot of good footage tonight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. for, I wouldn't even want to be on the roads for, really. But you want to be indoors and away from windows out here in Wichita. You guys have definitely seen worse, though.
That OK Cell headed towards El Reno is trying to do something.
I don't care what soda you enjoy. I truly just appreciate you and Andy keeping us safe. What was the first part for? That's like somebody coming up to you and be like, listen, I don't care what everybody says about you, okay? I think you're a good person. And you're not aware that anybody says anything. I don't care what soda you... Obviously, you knew a little bit of it with Michigan. This thunder is ruining my bedtime. Yeah, well, it's going to keep going for a little bit, unfortunately for you.
Okay.
Might as well get locked in. Might as well get locked in. How's Jason doing? Looks like they're out of the rain. The Mangum loves. So that's good. Somebody in Wichita says lots of lightning. Somebody over here says lots of lightning, heavy rain, and some wind. Concerned about the flooding with how much rain. Yeah, the flooding is again like that's a big deal over here. Just because of how much rain we've had.
Are we okay?
Yep.
Dr. Pepper stocked up.
Oh, yeah.
Brian, it's because everybody gives you heck for drinking Diet Coke.
Still 23 miles an hour, but the temperature's dropped like 10 degrees.
Savannah says, I fell asleep for 2 hours and I woke up to this. Good morning. Or whatever. Yeah, I hope you had a good nap. Somebody out here in Wichita said it's big time right now. So yeah, Wichita, you guys are going to get a lot of rain. That's going to be a big part of this too for y'all. They still haven't upgraded this, Temu half-off dollar stores, severe thunderstorm warning for Joplin. The core of that storm is still just outside of town though. So if we do have any hail with this or stronger winds, they're currently coming out of Quaker, going into Belleville and Galena, and then it's going to go to Joplin from there. Somebody in Joplin says, my walls are shaking. My walls are literally shaking.
Funnel. Dave.
The National Weather Service has issued an airport weather warning.
I went back up.
So that's the Joplin view. And again, up here in Wichita, this is the other place that's getting hit pretty hard right now. From the traffic camera perspective, it really doesn't look that bad. The winds don't look too bad. It's just, it's a lot of heavy rain, probably some hail in there. You guys seeing hail? Somebody said they saw hail earlier, but are you still seeing hail in Wichita? There's some stronger winds. Galena.
Stay, you want to move?
Huh?
You want to stay, you want to move?
If you're just now tuning
I'm
in,
gonna
we're
be
keeping a very
safe.
close eye on Wichita, Kansas right now because they've got a severe thunderstorm warning for 60-mile-per-hour winds and 1.25-inch in diameter hail. Tornado threat doesn't look like
Just
it's
where you
too
feel safe.
concerning right now, but we'll keep an eye
All
on
right.
it. In Blaine County, Oklahoma, Caddo, and Canadian Counties, we also have a